it's something that probably gets overlooked a little bit. But if your design's really good on packaging, and let's just talk about food and drink because that's kind of where this will come into play a bit more than most. But if the design's really good, that's great. You've nailed that. But then when the customer picks it up, and like I say, it is overlooked quite often because it's just something that sounds a bit odd. But if the texture of the product doesn't fit what it is, it can throw you off a little bit. So, for example, this is a really premium gin, and we've got this lovely like craft card. It's got a nice texture to it. We've got this embossing with this like white foil. We've got some just embossing there without any ink at all, and all this texture makes you think that this is worth the money that you're paying for it. It kind of creates that premium impression. Whereas if this looked great on the shelf there, you go to pick it up and it has the texture of a glossy mailer like that, which is perfect for what it is there. But over here, it just wouldn't fit, and it would throw you off a little bit. You kind of it cheapens it depending on the product, so it's got to be appropriate. Like I say, it's perfect for that because the idea of these was they've been sent out in the post all year. There was like a dozen or so different ones. This was for the Commonwealth Games a couple of years ago, and they had to be. They're going for people's letterboxes, so the idea was that they were going to be durable, a little bit waterproof. So that kind of thick gloss was perfect. It's tension grabbing, but then when it comes to a premium gin and you've got heavy gloss on it, it does throw you off a little bit, and that kind of goes for the whole food industry. It's really important to consider that. So yeah, it's worth bearing in mind and not overlook that sort of thing.